This is a mobile that's MI Spice MI 504. You can see there is an 8 megapixel camera, and that's right, it's such a good looking phone. The flip cover is also good, and you can remove it, and it can also, this is a lock. You can press, and that is a display. There you can, that is camera, that's very picture quality. That is, you can see, yeah. And this is a gallery. It's such a nice, and you can zoom also. It has very well megapixel, so it has no matter this. And WhatsApp is also used at this mobile. There is a, I give the password, so that is a WhatsApp. It's such a 5 5-inch screen, so it's very large, and you can use, there is a lot of game and apps in there. I now I choose, go to the settings. There is a settings, that's SIM card management, Wi-Fi, video, data usage, audio profiles. There in the web. Now I say about phone. So this is Android 4.2.2. It is a latest version. Okay, so it's very good. That's very good looking. Toggles are also good looking. Brightness is effective. Wi-Fi, aeroplane mode. You can choose the aeroplane mode when you are traveling. That is data usage, that you can see how many data are used in the by the internet. That is, it's gaming console. It's a very, and it's have 1.3 mega, so it's very good. There is a game named Governor of Poker. Sorry, Poker. Oh, it needed a net connection. I need to on the Wi-Fi. Okay, there it is. Now I on the Poker. That's a very nice game. I played. I downloaded it yesterday. That's loading and loading. You can triple click, and there is a zoom version. That's such a nice phone. Now I need to collect the free chips, and there it is. Then I choose play now. It's a nice, because Poker. Okay, let's see what card I have. It's, I think this is such a nice hand. That 7, 9 and 10. I think the no. That's a 5-inch great screen. Help us to make sure what a video or something this display. It has also panorama, puzzle, front camera, UT camera, one flashlight. It has 2 megapixel rear front camera, so it's very well for the selfie. Now what I have cards, let's see. Oh, okay, we have buff. Let's love any person. Let's see what is. Very narrow because we play fast. Oh, three people are already put a whiskey. Oh, I haven't any card. I'm in trouble. What can I do, yeah? I think he blocks me. Okay, is it my turn? No. Oh, no chance for me. I lost it. Oh, I totally. But it is a pair. Anything can do. Oh no, I'm lost. He bluffed me. Bye bye. I'm out of this game. Shit. So now the discussion. I lost it. And there is such a nice camera that I am looking for. This is such a nice camera, and that's a panorama and PDF EDC. This is a panorama. You can any capture any picture, then turn into this and give the parallel line that 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 that. Now we're saying that's the right side corner. Then we will such a nice zoom pixel. Yeah. So this is a review of MI504. It's a very beautiful to use. It's 600 in the 600. That's a very good looking phone and nice battery also. Thank you very much.